Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A cause of long-term hiccups is damage to or irritation of the vagus nerves or phrenic nerves, which serve the diaphragm muscle. Factors that may cause damage or irritation to these nerves include a hair or something else in your ear touching your eardrum, a tumor, cyst or goiter in your neck. 24 May 2017.
Take our lead.
Brain, spinal cord, nerves, and muscles may participate to make the involuntary movement called hiccups. A stroke may disrupt the breathing center of the brain of a person, and that can cause hiccups. Usually, hiccups do not require any specific treatment, but it is not advisable for recovering stroke patients. 5 November 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Home remedies for hiccups. Drink a glass of water quickly. Have someone frighten you. Pull hard on your tongue. Bite on a lemon. Gargle with water. Drink from the far side of a glass. Use smelling salts. Place 1/2 teaspoon of dry sugar on the back of your tongue.
Take our lead.
Pesky hiccups that refuse to subside may even be symptoms of heart muscle damage or a heart attack. Persistent or intractable hiccups can indicate inflammation around the heart or a pending heart attack, Fanner said. 11 February 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
How do I get rid of the hiccups? Hold your breath and swallow 3 times. Breathe into a paper bag but stop before you get lightheaded. Drink a glass of water quickly. Swallow a teaspoon of sugar. Pull on your tongue. Gargle with water. The 17th of October 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hiccups is rarely a medical emergency. If hiccups last for more than 3 hours, occur with severe abdominal pain, fever, shortness of breath, vomiting, spitting up blood, or feeling as if the throat is going to close up, the person should seek medical attention. 29 December 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.